Hello guys, another day, another job. At the minute, I'm doing my door, sanding that down, ready to paint, and obviously I'll do the rear quarters and sort of everything that needs to go grey. I'll do in one go. So yeah, let's carry on with that. Right, so all the parts are now in colour. I've spent a couple of days putting them all back onto the car. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you around. Rear quarters really is what I've done. Boot lid, front bumper, passenger side door. I have done a wheel with some nice glitter in. I don't know if you can see it though. Yeah, a couple of days time, well, nearly a week's time, we're off to Teesside for Easter Monday practice day. Can't wait, should be a good laugh. Get to test the car, test out the suspension. Hopefully that's better now than it once was. Yeah, we'll see how it gets on. So yeah, next video will be Teesside practice day. See you there. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. Catch you in the next one. See you later.